Good morning, children. Welcome back to our English online class. Children, how are you? I hope all are fine and safe at your homes. And how you wrote your FA2 exams? Yes, very good. We are going to discuss about 16th lesson, The Lord Who Became a Blacksmith Part 2. In the previous class, we finished the Part 1. Today we are going to discuss about the Part 2. The Lord Who Became a Blacksmith Part 2. See here, the Lord continued, You do not worry. You do not worry. I will forgive an axe instead. The farmer was not happy, but what could he do? His wife was very greedy people. They went to learn more money. What they want? They want to learn more money. So the Lord learned the blacksmith work. What the Lord was doing? The Lord was, learning the blacksmith work and opened a smith near his farm. Why did he open the smithy? Why did he open the smithy, Nana? Yes, to earn more money. But he was unable to do his work. Why? Because he did not learn the work properly. Okay? Oh, all right. Let it be so, said he. I can always use an extra axe. Now here, children, the Lord did not learn the blacksmith work. Means he did not learn how to forge the iron. So he failed doing the plug. So she failed doing the plug. He said to the farmer, instead of a flow, he make a axe. Instead of that, he want to make a axe for him. Okay, children. The farmer was not happy. Why? Because he was unhappy. But he could not do any work he thought. Farmer em cheppina kaani ina cheyaledu kabatti farmer was very unhappy, not happy, and also extra axe also using here. So he agreed for that axe. Okay, what he are doing? He agreed that axe. They began heating the iron and forging it again. They hammered away at it, thought they made a great din. No axe was coming out of it. Children, din means what? Here is a din, no? Yes, din means what? Making a big sound. Making a big noise or big sound. To make big sound for loud sound. Loud sound or big sound. Now, they heated the same piece. Again, they are heating the same piece. And again, making the sound also. Started beating it. No, that's why the sound was coming outside. Here, the Lord and the coachman. Here means who? Lord, farmer and the coachman. They are started. They means also Lord, farmer and coachman. Started beating the piece of iron. And the coachman was blowing the fire. Here see, Nana, the coachman was blowing the fire. See in this picture. So, they heat up same piece. Again, they are heating here the same piece of iron. And they started beating. Again, they are starting beating it to make an axe. Okay, children, this was, yes, it was coming a lot of noise. Why? Because they are started again in beating. No, that's why the sound was very big noise. This is very poor iron. Indeed, said he. What again the coachman and Lord was telling to the farmer, the iron was very poor. That's why the iron was not making anything. Iron chala poor gundi. Andukani emi prepare avvatledu ani cheptaranamata. No axe will come out of it, but I will forgive you a knife instead. Okay, again what the telling? Again, instead of axe, I will forgive you a knife. Telling what? I will prepare a knife. The farmer asked one thing. Again the Lord said, I will prepare the axe. Forgive means after they prepared the axe. Again that the Lord only telling what? Instead of axe, I will prepare the knife. Oh, all right. The farmer agreed. A knife will be of use too. Now here, children, the Lord was unable to forgive an axe. So what he did? Instead of saying that he don't know what he was telling, the axe was very poor. The quality of the iron was very bad. Axe will not come out of it. Means what, that iron was very bad. Iron was very bad. Instead of that, I will make the knife. What again the farmer was thinking? Farmer was agree that. Why? Because a knife will be of use too. The knife will be used too. They began heating and forging the iron again and hammered at it. So they made a great din. No knife was coming out of it. Same thing happened. They tried to make a knife, but heating and beating it. By heating and beating it, they are trying to make a knife, but they couldn't make a knife. Said the Lord to the farmer, I have never seen such a poor iron as yours. No knife will come out of it, but I will forgive you a cease instead. Oh, all right then, said the farmer. Children, when the Lord failed to make the knife, he said the quality of iron itself. The Lord was not telling, I am not doing the knife. But what the Lord was telling, the quality of iron itself is very bad and very poor. That's why knife is not coming out of the iron, the Lord was telling. Means he is not able to make the knife. Because the quality of the iron was bad. ఏమని చెప్తున్నాడు? తనకి రాదు అని చెప్పకుండా ఐరన్ క్వాలిటీనే బాలేదు అని చెప్తున్నాడు అనమాట. Yes, what again telling? Knife. He could make a seize with the help of leftover. మిగిలింది ఉంది కదా, దాంతోని సీజ్ చేస్తాను అని చెప్పాడు అనమాట. Again the farmer also agreed that. Okay, all right then, said the farmer. Again what the farmer was telling? Okay, I am agreeing that, do the seize. Now see in the next page. They began forging the iron again, but there was only a little bit of it left. Now it grew less and less. When they heated and beat it again and again, the Lord heated it well and threw it in the tub of water. There was a seize, and the tiny burning pieces darkened as they were heating and beating the iron again and again. They are heating and beating the iron again and again. Very little iron was left, so the Lord made the seize. Very little iron is there, no? That's why the Lord made the seize. He made the seize by heating the iron and by throwing it in the tub of water. Okay, children? Take out your class works. Lesson number 16. The Lord who became a blacksmith part 2. First of all, every time we are writing the hard words, so write the hard words. Forgive. What is the first hard word? Forgive. Forge. Next, knife. 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 Next, deserve. 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 Next, fourth one, burning. 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 Share. Next, what is the fifth one? Share. 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 Next, sixth one, instead. 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 Next, seventh one, enough. 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 Next, eighth one, alternative. 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 Noise. 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 Shame. 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 Now see children, forgive, knife, deserve, burning, share, instead, enough, alternative, noise, shame. These are the 10 hard words. After completing your hard words, keep the heading meanings. MEANINGS, meanings. After completing the hard words, write the heading meanings. Extra, EXTRA, extra. More than what is needed. Extra means what? More than what is needed. మనకు కావాల్సిన దానికన్నా ఎక్కువగా ఉన్నదాన్ని ఎక్స్ట్రా అంటాం అన్నమాట. More than what is needed. Next, instead, as an alternative. Instead, as an alternative. Instead అంటే దానికి బదులుగా వేరే చేస్తా అని. Instead, as an alternative. Din, noise, din, noise, seize. Catch by force, catch by force, seize. Catch by force. I am repeating these 4 hard words. Extra, more than what is needed. Instead, as an alternative. Din, noise, seize. Catch by force, catch by force. Sinana, write these 4 hard words, meanings also. Okay, in this class I told the hard words and meanings. Up to now I told the hard words and meanings. Okay children, must and should complete your classwork. In the classwork I told the hard words and meanings, no? Yes, write that hard words and meanings. After completing that, have to take the pics and send to my WhatsApp number. If you have any doubts, call me. I will clarify your doubts. Thank you. See you in the next class. God bless you children.